welcome! My name is Jocelyn and today we are doing my December Stitch Fix unboxing. If you're not familiar with what Stitch Fix is, I will give a brief description outline of how everything works. If you are familiar with how Stitch Fix works, I will have a timestamp on the screen that you can go to just see the unboxing try-on decision part of the video. I am in my living room because I have my beautiful tree up and our stockings are up, so I thought we'd get a little bit festive. Alex and I also just filmed his Stitch Fix unboxing for December, so that went up right before this video went up. So if you'd like to see what comes in a more masculine Stitch Fix box, that is available on my channel for your viewing pleasure. So what is Stitch Fix? Stitch Fix is a styling subscription service that comes to you however often you would like it to come to you. So the way it works, you create a profile with Stitch Fix and fill out a style profile. Within the style profile, you tell them your measurements, your sizes, things that you like, things that you don't like. You can also tell them how often you want to receive things. So if you never want to receive heels, for example, or you always want to receive a blazer or a sweater or a shirt, you know, it's so customizable, which I think is really great. You also can choose your price ranges, but it's really important to note that Stitch Fix is more of a boutique style service. So you're not going to be sent things that you would typically find at like Walmart or Target or places like that. The things that come in these Stitch Fix boxes are a little bit better quality, which does mean that they cost a little bit more. So you go onto Stitch Fix, fill out your style profile, schedule your first fix, and at that time you are charged a $20 styling fee. A stylist who works for Stitch Fix puts together a 5-piece box like this one that we have right here, and they put together things that they think that you might like, ship it straight to your door. There is a return envelope included in your box. You try all of the pieces on and decide what you want to keep and what you want to send back. Everything you choose to keep, you do pay for. That $20 styling fee does get applied towards anything you choose to keep. If you send everything back, you do lose that $20. So there's that. If you choose to keep absolutely everything, you do get 25% off of your total cost of the box, which is pretty great. I have done that a couple of times. There is a referral link that I will leave down below. Everybody who has a Stitch Fix account profile does have a referral link, so it's just one of those. If you click on my referral link, you get $25 off of your first box, and then I get $25 off of my next box. It does help me keep this series going, so thank you so much if you've ever used mine or Alex's link. We do greatly appreciate it. If I have forgotten anything, I will be sure to include it throughout this video, but without further ado, let's open the box. Welcome back to anybody who skipped straight to this part of the video. My box is pretty full right now. This is one of the larger boxes that I've gotten from Stitch Fix. I have no idea what's in here, so let's get started. Ooh, all right. So this is what the inside of my box looks like. I'm not sure if these are shoes or if they might be a bag or something like that. I kind of think that they're shoes. I think that shoes come in Stitch Fix bags like this. And then it looks like we've got some clothing in another pouch. So also on top is the return envelope, and this little envelope right here has the style guide. So an example of how to style each of the items the stylist sent you, and also the pricing guide, but we will wait to look at the pricing guide. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and open the bag first, since this is kind of the most exciting thing. They are in fact shoes, so that is exciting. I haven't gotten very many pairs of shoes from Stitch Fix, so it looks like they are some boots. They're wrapped so nicely. Ooh, these are cute. Oh, I love this. Okay, so this is what the boot looks like. It comes up really nice, has a fashionable point on the end. They are all black. I recently did get a pair of boots. They're a little bit shorter than this one is, but they have a brown bottom. They're not all black like this, and I've been thinking that it would be nice to find an all black pair of boots, and I like that this comes up a little further than my other ones do. So I'm really excited to try these on and see how they fit. And then of course we have the pair. Let me feel what the sole feels like. Ooh, oh yes. Okay, an important thing for me in shoes is that they are very comfortable. I am a type 1 diabetic, if you didn't know that already, which means that foot care is very important. So the soles in my shoes need to be squishy, and these are in fact squishy. So if these fit well, there's a good chance that I might keep these because again, I've been looking for an all black pair and these are very cute and I could wear them to work a lot. Unless, you know, they're really, really expensive, then perhaps not. So that is the first item. Ooh, these are the Mark Fisher footwear, Leave Stretch Heeled Booty, black in the size 6. On to our pouch. I feel like I'm in such danger. Oh no. December, Alex and I have decided, is not a great time to get Stitch Fixes because, you know, Christmas, and it just feels like the end of the year when so many other things are happening. Oh my gosh. First, we have this sweater right here. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. So this is kind of a cool sweater. I really like the way that this looks. This is the 9 Britain Damon mixed material Coneal stripe knot top, black size medium. Does this have a knot? Why does it say knot top? Interesting. This is incredibly soft, which is a big plus. I like that it's black. I like the pattern on it. I like that it's got this unique striped material. Very excited to try this on. All right, next, automatically I can tell this is something I'm probably not gonna keep. Let's see, what is, oh, it's a dress. Oh, wait, I was not expecting this to be a dress. Whoa, wow, okay, so this is a dress and it's got these really shiny add-ons to it. It's like a diamond material. It looks a lot prettier than I was originally thinking this piece was gonna look. It looks like it's also a bit of a halter top, as you can see right there. So this is the Fortune and Ivy Layla Asymmetrical Sparkle Trim Knit Dress, size medium. I'm not a big fan of sparkles like this, but I'll definitely still try it on just to kind of see how it fits and looks. I don't really know where I would wear something like this. Who knows? Still gonna try it on. Give it a oh. I couldn't even complete my sentence because I'm really excited about this next piece. So these, oh wow. These are a pair of pants. As you can see, they are this really cool rusty red color. They're really soft. So these are the Just Black Steph colored skinny jeans in burgundy, size 6. I really need some more colored jeans like this for work because we can't wear regular jeans, but colored pants like this is usually fine. They have front pockets and back pockets, so that is quite essential. I'm really excited to try these on. Okay, and last but certainly not least, what is this? Oh, it's a skirt. We have a skirt. That's actually kind of cute. So this, I don't know if you can kind of see what this looks like, but it looks like this is a high-waisted skirt. I could definitely wear this to work with some tights. This is the Max Studio Nash Sweater Knit Skirt in brown, size medium. This isn't something that I would really picture myself pulling off of the shelf, but this looks also like it could be really cute on. So I have all of my pieces. All of these pieces feel very winter to me, which is nice that, you know, she took that into account. Let me break out my style and price guide. Let's look at the style guide first. All right, so here is my style guide. We have each of the clothing items and how the stylist recommends to pair them with different pieces of clothing. I love my stylist so much. So in case you're curious, my stylist is Lindsay and she knows that I have a YouTube channel, so that's really cool. I'm really excited to try on these pieces. Some of them are things I would have picked for myself. Some of these things aren't, which is kind of even more exciting because I might find some things that I never would have picked for myself. All right, now comes the not as exciting part, the price guide part. Okay, oof. All right, let's start with what's on my lap right now, which is the skirt. So the skirt is $54, a bit expensive. Okay, so $54. Next, we have, let's do the boots. The boots are on the floor right now. The boots are the second most expensive item, which actually surprises me. I definitely thought that these were gonna be the most expensive item. These are still expensive. They are $69. I'm gonna have to really love these to decide to keep these. Next, we have the pants, which I was really excited about, but these are the most expensive thing in the box, which kind of doesn't surprise me. If you can hear the crinkling in the background, my cat has decided to get in the box with all of the paper in there and he's making a lot of noise. So these are super soft. I'm not surprised that these are the most expensive thing because they are super soft and I have a feeling that they're gonna fit really well. But these are $78. Next we have the Fortune and Ivy, the dress, the sparkle dress, and this is $54. $4. And then I think this is last. We have the, yes, this is last, the 9 Britain Damon mixed material shirt, the one with the stripes, the black one. This is the cheapest thing in the box. This is $44. Still kind of pricey, but if this sweater fits really, really, really well, this is something I could see myself wearing a lot. So we'll see. Oh, I guess I could also say what the total price of everything in my box is. So all of the items combined is a total of $299. This is definitely one of the more expensive boxes that I've gotten. If I decided to keep everything, I would get a $74.75 discount, which would bring my total down to $224.25. With it being the holidays, I definitely don't think I'll be keeping everything, which I don't think will be an issue. I have a feeling I will be able to send some of these things back without any sadness, but we'll see. I haven't tried anything on yet. With that being said, let's go ahead and get on into the try on portion of the video. I think I'm gonna try and do it in my living room just because I like it in here. I'm having some fun in a different space. Okay, let's try some things on. All right, so we have the pants and the sweater on. Both of them actually fit really well and are very comfortable. Yeah, these are both very comfortable. The sweater is really soft. It feels like a little tiny bit weird on the inside because I can feel the separation of the different fabrics right here, but it is really comfortable. It fits well. I mean, it's baggy, but it's supposed to be baggy. It's a sweater. The pants fit pretty good. They are a tiny bit baggy, but they also, like, you know, they're fitting. They do in fact fit. They're also long enough. The trouble I had with the pants that were sent last time is they were a little bit too short, but these are actually, I think, the perfect length. I tried to put the booties on, but the way that they're styled with the tight leg right here doesn't really work with pants, so I'm gonna try them on with the skirt and the dress. So far I am enjoying this outfit. Definitely winners, but we'll see. We'll see how I feel about everything else. Okay, moving on. Okay, so apparently I don't actually know how to style skirts like this. I'm not sure if you're supposed to put it on top of a shirt or underneath of a shirt. Let's go ahead and put it underneath, just see what that looks like. I kind of feel like that looks more how it's supposed to look, right? Objectively, I don't hate the way that it looks. I think it looks kind of cute. However, I don't love it. It's not really a pattern that calls to me. It's just not my favorite. So I think this is for sure gonna go back. I did put tights on and just this plain black long sleeve shirt, but let me actually put the boots on real fast. Can you see the boots? How about over here? Can you see them? All right, let me go ahead and put the dress on real fast. Okay, so the dress is on, and actually, I think that it looks very flattering. The sparkles on it are actually quite beautiful and catch the light really well, but I have basically nowhere to wear this. So it would be kind of a waste to keep it and purchase it. It is beautiful. I think that it's pretty flattering, but I have nowhere to wear it. It's not like it looks good and I like the way that it looks, but it's not really my style. That's kind of how I feel about it. The boots I have back on, and I do still really like the boots. I don't really have a pair of boots that I can wear with tights like this. They are pretty comfortable. They're no Dr. Scholl's, which is what I have right now in booty form, and absolutely love them. Super cute, super comfortable, but they're not super uncomfortable either. Could I wear them for hours and hours and hours and hours? I mean, yes, but my feet would hurt a bit. Yeah, okay, so I've tried everything on. Let me go ahead and put some regular clothes back on, and we will do a bit of a wrap up and decide what I want to keep and what I want to send back, because I think that there's about 3 items that I'm toying between right now, but I cannot keep all 3 of them. I don't think my face has been fully in that frame that entire time. Let's go ahead and get to the wrap up. All right, and we're back. I do still have I put back on the black sweater just because I kind of wanted to wear it a little bit more. I do really, really like it. So let's go ahead and start going over the items. The 2 items I'm definitely sending back is the dress and the skirt. Both of these are going back. They're not quite my style. They looked fine. I think the dress actually looked really good, but again, not my style, so those are gonna go back. What I'm deciding upon is the sweater, the pants, and the shoes. I put the pants back on also. Although they're comfortable and although I do like the color, I'm not totally in love with them, and for $78, which is the most expensive thing in the box, I think I'm gonna go ahead and send these back. Pants seem to be a challenging item for me. I don't really know why, but they weren't quite there for me to really consider. Well, I was considering keeping, but for me to keep them, they weren't quite there. So I think I'm gonna send these back. Now we have the sweater, which again was the least expensive thing in the box, which is nice. And then we have the shoes, which are the second most expensive thing in the box. These come in at $69. I don't have a pair of boots like this. That is a fact. That is true. They are pretty comfortable. I like that they are all black, and I think that the style of them is really good. I really might have to think more about these. And then this, I do think that I would get a lot of wear out of this. It's really, really soft, very, very comfortable. I think that it's cute, especially for this time of year. I've been thinking and saying and looking for more sweaters, so this is kind of perfect. I think I'm gonna keep this one, which again is the least expensive thing in the box, so that is a big, big plus. It's black. I don't have a lot of black tops. I don't think I actually have any black sweaters, I think. So I think I'm definitely gonna keep this, which is exciting. And then I'll decide before this video goes up if I'm going to keep these or send these back. So I'll pop on the screen what I decided to do. You'll have an answer by the time this video goes up. But at this moment, while I'm filming, I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do about these. But all the other things are going back besides this shirt. All right, and there is my Stitch Fix for December. Again, December is kind of a weird time to get a Stitch Fix because there's a lot of other things that money is going towards this month. But alas, here we are. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe to not miss any future unboxings, definitely consider doing so before you go. All of those buttons are down below. Again, if you would like to sign up for Stitch Fix, I do have a referral link which I will leave down below, so you can sign up for Stitch Fix and get $25 off of your first box, which basically makes it risk-free because your styling fee is waived, and then that $25 gets applied towards anything you choose to keep out of your first box. And although $44 was the price of the least expensive item, I've seen things for $28 and in the $30, that kind of thing. So $44 is not always the norm for the least expensive item in the box. So you could possibly find something for $30 and only have to pay $5 out of your first box. So with that being said, I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.